everyone. Hope you all are doing great. And by the way, I am perfectly fine. Alhamdulillah. So, when it comes to jewelry that is stylish, versatile, and deeply personal, few things are as captivating as stackable beaded bracelets. These little works of art are more than just accessories, they are tiny statements of identity, mood, and creativity. Unlike a single bracelet, stackable designs open up endless possibilities. You can mix different colors, textures, shapes, and even materials to create a look that is entirely your own. Today, we are diving deep into the world of stackable beaded bracelet designs, from minimalist chic to boho layering, from gemstone elegance to modern statement pieces. Whether you are a jewelry lover, an enthusiast, a collector, or simply someone looking for inspiration, this video will give you everything you need to fall in love with the beauty of stackable beaded bracelet. So let's get started. The beauty of stackable beaded bracelets lies in their ability to transform any outfit and mood. A single bracelet is charming, but when you stack multiple strands together, you create a rhythm, balance, and a story on your wrist. Each bead has meaning, the shine of the pearl, the grounding nature of stones like onyx or jade, or the calming effect of turquoise. One stack, these beads complement each other, creating a harmony of energy and design. That's why stackable bracelets have become a global trend. They're more than jewelry, they're wearable expressions of who you are at that very moment. Playing with colors and combinations. You know that one of the most exciting things about a stackable beaded bracelet design is the freedom to mix and match colors. Like imagine pairing the brown wooden beads with bright turquoise for a bohemian summer vibe, or blending a black onyx with golden accents for a more luxurious and elegant look. Some people prefer monochrome stacks, such as all white pearls for a soft, graceful statement, while others go bold with a multicolor mixes that pop with energy. So the choice of colors can reflect emotions, calming blues for peace, fairy reds for passion, and greens for growth and balance. By experimenting with shades and tones, you create a stack that feels like an extension of your inner world. Now move to Jamstone bracelets. Jamstone takes stackable beaded bracelet to an entirely new level. Each stone carries both beauty and symbolism. For example, rose quartz adds a soft pink glow while symbolizing love and harmony. Amethyst beads bring purple elegance and spiritual calmness. Tiger eye beads give strength and confidence, while lapis lazuli adds a deep royal blue touch with wisdom. When stacked together, gemstone bracelets not only look stunning but also create an energy combination that people deeply connect with. Many jewelry lovers collect gemstone stacks because they don't just decorate your wrist, They also inspire, protect, and empower. Now move to minimalist versus bold stacking. There are two dominant styles when it comes to stackable beaded bracelets: minimalist and bold. Minimalist stacks usually include delicate beads in neutral colors such as whites, black, grays, or subtle metallics. They are perfect for everyday wear, professional outfits, and subtle elegance. On the other hand, bold stacks are full of chunky beads, bright colors, large charms, and playful patterns. These are designed to be eye catching and make a strong fashion statement. What makes stackable bracelet amazing is that you can easily switch between both styles depending on your outfit and occasion. Now move to materials and textures in bead stacks. The type of material you choose for your beaded bracelets plays a huge role in the final design. Wooden beads give a natural, earthy, and bohemian feel. Glass beads shimmer and catch the light beautifully. Metallic beads like gold, silver, or rose gold add luxury and shine. Then there are pearls which bring classic elegance. Many designers also combine textures: rough lava stone beads with smooth polished gemstones, or matte finished beads with glossy ones. This play of textures creates contrast and depth, making the stack look like rich and artistic. Stackable beaded bracelets become even more fascinating when small charms or accent beads are added. These details may be tiny, but they completely transform the bracelet's personality. Imagine a simple black bead bracelet with the golden star charm. It suddenly becomes more meaningful and stylish. Some people add charms that carry personal meaning, such as initials, symbols of faith, or tiny pendants that represent travel, love, or dreams. So these small details add storytelling elements, making each stack not just a fashion piece, but a memory keeper. So yeah guys, that's all for today's episode. I hope you like this amazing collection of stackable beaded bracelets. If you like this video, do subscribe the channel VP Shine and share your thoughts in comment section. Stay connected with me. Enjoy your life.